Some moments arrive not to entertain us but to bring back us together. So today we are on a mission, reunion on the island.
Let's go, guys.
And just like that, we were on the river. The Padma slowed us down. Other boats were passing, people walking on both sides of the river. Children and the boys of us were smiling. And suddenly, an eagle crossed the sky. And luckily, I captured this beautiful moment. We stepped onto the island. I were shouting, laughing, and looking around. And we started walking, not knowing where to stay, just walking.
This is really interesting to be here because we never have experience like this and we are going to explore this place.
And then, a vast mustard field is bleeding like sunlight on the earth. Flowers moving with the wind, kites above our heads.
This is really a place of heaven.
So we walked again. And finally we found it all down.
We are come to the picnic. This is a big river. Our connection.
Bamboo in the sand, plastic against the wind, fire on the earth.
আমি ইতিমধ্যে ছোট জন্য দাস ইতিমধ্যে আমরা এখন আছি পিকনিকে সবার সাথে যুক্ত হতে পারে বড় ভাইদের সাথে ছোট ভাইদের সাথে গেলেন
Onions being cut, meat washed in the Padma, hands moving everywhere.
Meat and it will be used for our biryani. Today we are cooking biryani for our party. Hello guys.
Everyone was sitting. Everyone brings something.
Hello guys. I'm Bijoy. আপনার সবাই আসছে পদ্ধতি এখানে সবাই অনেক সারাদিনের একটা গেট টুগেদার করতে আমরা এলাকার ছোট ভাই ব্রাদার বড় যারা This is our Gopal Dada, our elder brother. He is going to be married soon, so we invited him to join us.
And in the heart of this kitchen, where the people who made it possible, our main cook Sanjit Kaka, just back from Singapore. His strongest support, Gopal Dada. Their energy, smiles, and unstoppable spirit made us much energetic.
Hi, I am Shargo. I am Shojit. I am Apurvo. I am so happy enjoying for this picnic. I am so happy for today.
Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi.
দেখতে পাচ্ছেন খিচুড়ি আমাদের এখন সুস্বাদু হবে আমরা পিকনিকে আসছি
অনেক আনন্দ উল্লাসে আছি ঠিক আছে এই এরকম দৃশ্য আর কখনো পাবো না তাই ঠিক আছে
I am coming
হ্যালো গাইস, আমরা এসে পড়েছি সবাই এনজয় করতে মিনি কক্স আমাদের বাপ বাগানের এখানে চরে এসেছি সবাই ক্যামেরাটা চালানো দেখা সাপোর্ট করবেন খুবই
While the fire was growing, so was the energy. So we went where our bodies wanted us to go. Then the river called us, not just a river, a natural swimming pool. So we ran, we jumped, we disappeared under the water and came back laughing. After fire and water, it was time for taking meal. We made biryani and it was very tasty biryani.
কেমন লাগছে ভাই
today thinking and আদের বন্ধু
The sun leaned down, the noise softened. We wanted to be there for more time, but the boatman was in a hurry, so we had to give up the place. This day wasn't made by plants, it was made by people.
and truthfully I am grateful and thankful to have made this journey into a memory of my life. I would like to request all of you that please watch my videos and subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow my page on Facebook. I will give the link in the comment box and please don't forget to watch my next videos. আমরা সবাই এটার জন্য এত কামনা করি ঠিক আছে এত সুন্দর একটা মানে তীর দেওয়ার জন্য ধন্যবাদ তোমাকে
সবাই লাইক সাবস্ক্রাইব